In today's video, I will teach you how to improve the print quality of your photos with AI. Let's get started. First, visit Canva and sign in. On the homepage, start a custom design project or use an existing one. Then drag and drop your image into the canvas or use the upload panel on the left side. And make sure your image follows the file size and format limits. The maximum file size is 20 MB, the maximum dimensions are 2048 by 2048 pixels, and the supported formats include PNG, JPG, JPEG, and WebP. Now we're going to access the Image Enhancer app. In the left panel, click on Apps. Then scroll down or use the search bar to find the Image Enhancer. Here, you'll see multiple enhancement apps, some official, some third-party, so select one. Then you must re-upload the photo within the app to start enhancing, even if it's already in your Canva project. Now choose how much to upscale your image. 2 times upscale doubles the resolution, and 4 times upscale quadruples the resolution. The final image size can be up to 4096 by 4096 pixels, which is ideal for print in large formats. Now we're going to choose the enhancement method. You'll typically see 2 to 3 enhancement styles, depending on the app. General, which is balanced for most images, detail preserving, which is ideal for photos with fine textures, and edge sharpening, which is best for portraits, outlines, and graphics. You can try detail preserving for old photos and edge sharpening for logos and headshots. Now click the Enhance Image or Upscale button. And most enhancement tools cost 10 credits per use. Canva gives you 200 credits by default, and if you run out, you can buy more through WeShop AI, which is external to Canva. The process takes 10 to 30 seconds depending on the size and method chosen. Now a preview will appear showing the enhanced image, and if you're happy with the result, you can click Add to Design to insert it into your Canva project. And if you're not satisfied, you can click Start Over to retry with different settings. But take note that this uses another 10 credits. And once your image is on a canvas, click the download button at the top right. Choose your file format, then adjust the image size. Then select only the page with your photo to avoid downloading other designs. Then save the image to your computer, and you're ready to print with improved clarity and sharpness. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.